Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Bluetooth on an Android head unit. First, make sure your Bluetooth name and password. You can usually find this option in the settings menu of your Android head unit. It's time to pair your device. To do this, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone or head unit and search for available devices. When your phone Bluetooth appears, tap on it to connect. Please input the password 000. To use the calling feature, simply answer calls through your head unit and talk into your car's microphone. You can sync your phone book via the key. Then you also can now stream music, play podcasts, through your head unit's Bluetooth on A2DP app.